Okay, friends, I have shared the file. So, look two things. First of all, you find the value over here. Which one it is there, and if you say this one, right? ABC, the date. Okay. First of all, I'll do data validation. I'll be I'll for date. And okay, here I will do. Here I will do all DL for both. There. So with VLOOKUP, will do. Yes, guys, VLOOKUp of ABC, comma, the whole table, without including header, F4, comma, match of date, comma, within this, you started table here, so you have to select this one only, not from this. If the table starts from, select the table from here, then you have to select from here. But you started from here, so you have to select this one also. 4, comma 0, it is the position. It will show the position. What it will show? It will show the position. Actually, where is the match located in a range? F9. It is showing fourth position. Is it right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the VLOOKUP got the position. Okay. The column index number 4. And VLOOKUP should be ABC. Okay. Control enter. So 31 is the value is here. Okay. Now I'll show you how to do this. First select the whole table like this, copy and paste over somewhere else. It's better exactly down to the table. Okay, exactly down to the table. See how I selected. Okay. It's better if you select like that, it's better. There are two conditions. One is any date. I'm locking the row but not the column, because it has to move like this. Okay, it has to move like this. Sorry, it has to move like this, but not the row. It should not move down. It has to move sideward. Is equal to. Sorry, I wrong selected this one. F4. I'm locking the column but not the row. Equal to this. I'm freezing everywhere. F4, comma, another condition is this thing. F4, locking from all sides. It should not move anywhere. Whenever I drag this formula, it should be stable over there only. And select the same cell, but here you have to lock the column, but not the row. See what will happen. Control enter. When I drag formula here, F2, see. The white is not here, it should also move. Because when I drag formula down, it will move here. I drag sidewards. See here. See, F2. These two intersections. Moved here and it's stable over there only. So it is intersection of these both. Can just copy whole thing downwards in here. So find through here. Just copy the formula. Control C, escape, select the range, Alt H L N. Use formula to determine page down, Control B, and format as you like. Only the border font will be bold. It will be filled with people look like this. Okay. Okay. If I change date another day, 4, it will move. If I change this one to another date to move there as per date and a code. Okay. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you.